Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel DY Agri Corner. Today I am going to discuss with you some important facts regarding your preparation. Okay, now you all have cleared, I hope, the prelim exam is over and now you are preparing for the main exam. Now just you are 2 steps behind your job selection. Okay, in this time I thought I will have some discussion with you, some practical aspect what a student usually do mistake while their preparation for the main exam. Okay guys, so here today I am going to discuss what a student usually do mistake and how you should avoid those mistakes when we are also preparing and we are appearing for the exam. These things also usually happens, so I thought I will discuss with you these things and it will have some benefits for you. Okay, what student usually do mistake is that they think this exam as overburden. Now it is not a time to overthink regarding the exam. Just relax yourself, take some time. Okay, now you have cleared your prelim exam, so don't think about what score you are getting for the prelim exam. That is over and now you should not think on that and completely you should focus on the main exam. That is, main exam is very important and it is a mental exam also. You have to be mentally very fit for the exam. It's not like that you should just think and you should just go on reading. No, first thing is that they think more about the exam, about their selection. Yes, it is obvious that they will think and it is naturally it will come, but you should avoid as much as you can. Next thing is that they try to read more. Okay, more unnecessary stuffs I will tell. If you are reading more unnecessary stuffs, means suppose they call to one person and they will ask what you have read today. They will tell, I have read some these things, this topic, that topic. Then the mind of the candidate will change. Again he will try, I haven't read these things, so he will start reading those things. Okay, in this way he will distract from his own way of preparation. That is very wrong thing. Now try to conserve yourself. Just take yourself to listen some music, just spend some time confident, have confidence on yourself, believe on yourself. Your study pattern going to decide and going to help you for the selection, not what they have read, what they haven't read. It is not your now the time to think. Okay guys, next thing is that don't try to read other things. Now it is time to for revision what you have read. Now it is time for your to revise the things very much and you have to be thorough regarding your what you have read, because data will come and at that time you should not get confused. Every time I used to tell you, you should not get confused in the exam. Okay, next is that then now they will focus on reading other things and they will avoid giving mock. Guys, I am going to tell you, giving mock is very important for you. At least try to give 2 mock and analyze that thing. By analyzing you will come to know where you are standing, what problem you are getting, or what mistakes you are usually doing. Okay, that is very important and you need to give some 2 marks every day now. Okay, take some 2 marks or watch any videos where you are getting MCQs, try to appear. Okay, in my channel also I am putting some MCQ that are very relevant for your exam point of view, guys. So those things also you need to take into consideration and you need to practice more. Next thing is that they are changing their way of pattern of study. Suppose now they are thinking I will read more. If I am giving more focus, more study hours, then I will crack. No, just to follow what you are following till now. Just to be with that only. Just be with that and stick to that point only. Take optimum rest, because your mind requires some optimum rest. Relax yourself, go out, have some walking, jogging, or take some meditation time. Okay, give some time to yourself. Don't think 24/7 for exam. Yes, it is an exam, but you should not think more. Okay, because in this pressure only you need to appear the exam, you need to crack the exam. There is nothing beyond that and nothing out of that also, and that is very normal for every candidate. Okay, Next point is that don't try any experiment now. Don't think about any out of box study. Okay, don't think anything out of that, and don't do any type of experiment now. Thing is that you should be very particular about your notes. Read those things. If it is coming from your note, it is okay. If it is not coming, there is a large vast syllabus is there, so you cannot read everything. Thing is that you read whatever you have. If you are getting questions, okay, otherwise also it's okay for you. Okay, because you cannot read if you are neglecting this part and you are reading other part, and some questions came from your note only itself, and your but you could not, you have done some wrong, that is efficiency, lack of efficiency, then you will you will feel very bad of those things, and you should not you are not correct candidate to get the exam job. My point is that rather you should focus the limited source of study. Follow one book, completely read, thoroughly read, next try practice as much as MCQ as you can. Okay, so in this way I will tell I have discussed some important student usually feels and they used to do some mistake. Next is that believe on yourself, because now the time is there to believe on yourself. Don't think about the number of vacancy. Those things are not for you, and you should avoid those things. Okay, just think you have to go and you have to appear the exam. Next thing is that interview you will think afterwards. Now some candidates also will think, I don't know this, I don't know that. Okay, don't do like that. Just now focus on main exam. You have to appear the exam. Anyway you have to go and you have to appear the exam. That is your focus point now. Okay, next interview will come afterwards. We'll discuss regarding that also. Next is that take exam as an exam. Okay, so don't take everything as a very burden itself, and don't think. Spend some quality time with your family also. If you are out of your family and preparing somewhere else also, take some time to relax yourself. Okay, don't reveal your strategy to each and every person, and don't try to indulge yourself into other person's strategy. That is very wrong also. Just believe now just at very less time is there, so you should focus that, and you should revise those things. Whatever you have, just go on revising. Keep yourself very updated. Anything recently, anything happens, or in January month happened, or December happened, that is very usually going to be asked in the exam. So those things also, current affairs, you need to update yourself. That is one thing. Current affairs and static, those two part only our exam comprises of. So you should not go for any type of other stops. Okay, some are saying this thing, that thing. No, just focus on data. Some important data you need to remember, production you need to remember. Okay, some current affairs you need to update yourself. Next fisheries you need to read. If you are an agri student, those who are doing agriculture, they are neglecting fisheries, or they are maybe lacking in some fisheries MCQs. So you need to revise those things. Okay, next is that forestry you need to read, animal husbandry. Some topics are very very important from point of view, exam point of view. These things you should not neglect. These things you at least you should read before your exam once. Okay guys, so in this way I have discussed with you some important tips. I hope this going to be helpful for you. If you have any exam any doubt regarding anything, you just ask me. I am going to clear you out, and I am going to post some MCQs also. Please do follow my channel. Please do like, subscribe, and get updated yourself. Don't worry, be confident, be positive. You are going to crack the exam. Thank you guys. Have a great day.